Salmonella infection continues to be important public health and economic concern for both industrialized and developing nations. In the Philippines, Salmonella continues to be the most prevalent food poisoning causative agent based on a 23-year trend, accounting for about 30% of all cases with identified causes. DIPS or DIPS, detect immediately by probe system, developed by the BIOTECH UPLB through the support of DOST PCI EERD, utilizes DNA to DNA hybridization and immunodetection technology for a rapid, easy-to-use, and portable salmonella detection system in a kit. How to use DIPS or DIPS for salmonella kit? Here are the following steps. To start working, prepare a clean, disinfected place to work on. The DIPS for salmonella kit consists of the following contents. With the crude lysate from the food sample ready, open a pouch of strips. Pick the strip from the pouch using sterile forceps. Spot the crude lysate onto the membrane in the strip. Let it dry. After the spot is dried, proceed with the DNA fixation step using the UV transilluminator. Make sure to position the membrane with the crude lysate spot directly facing the light source. After fixation, we'll have DNA denaturation, neutralization, and the first washing. While incubating for these steps, you may start preparing your probes. In a separate clear microcentrifuge tube, place 200 UL of solution 4 and the appropriate amount of probe. Denature the probe by incubation at 100 degrees Celsius. With the strips and the people ready, we can start with the DNA hybridization step. Place the strips inside the tube containing the probes. Incubate at 55 degrees Celsius. After hybridization, the strips are washed 3 times with solutions 5, 6, and 7. After which the blocking step follows. One ml of solution 8 is placed inside the tube containing the strip. The tube containing the strip is added with the antibody solution and subsequently incubated at 35 degrees Celsius. Following antibody conjugation are the last washing step and acclimatization step. Last is the signal formation using the color substrate solution. The signal can be observed after 30 minutes of incubation in the dark. A purple-blue spot signals positive detection of Salmonella. No spot formation means negative detection of Salmonella. DIPS or DIPS does not rely on advanced equipment for Salmonella detection. DIPS is a rapid, easy-to-use, and portable Salmonella detection system in a kit. DIPS or DIPS detect immediately by probe system for Salmonella.